Check out this self-built tiny house. It's 18 square meters. It's all built by its owner, Clemens. He has been living here already for 8 years. When you enter here, you have a hallway with a fridge. By entrance, you have a kitchen and the owner, Clemens, who built this house. Right here you have a bathroom. To wash his clothes, Clemens used this tiny washing machine that you operate with your foot. The second entrance just off the kitchen leads you into the greenhouse. Originally it was built to trap warmth during the colder months, using the greenhouse effect to help heat the house, but over time it grew into more. Friends started gifting him seeds and slowly Clemens began to plant them. Living room with a wood stove, an electric boiler. All house is off the grid. It's running from solar panels. And water is running on the circle. It's being filtered all the time. And here on the top you have a bedroom with king-size bed. And the entire underfloor area of the house is used for storage. I filmed a full tour where Clemens and I talk about the building process and how much it all cost. You can watch it on the second channel.